everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got myself a 10 by 10 canvas here on my Lazy Susan because I'll probably give it a spin. I'm not positive yet. And I want to try and do a little bit of a swipe and a flower today. I've got phthalo green from Arteza ready to go. I've got metallic green. I've got my bright yellow, purple, red, and orange. Those are the colors I'm going to work with. I also have my cell activator, which is white. This is titanium white with Floetrol. So it's about 2 tablespoons of Amsterdam titanium white with 6 tablespoons of Floetrol mixed in. So it's almost double with the Floetrol. And then my black is just Saks Black Acrylic because I don't have any Amsterdam black. And this one has 2 drops of silicone in it. I'm trying to use it up as a cell activator. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use them. I just have them ready to go just in case. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, all my regulars, I love you. Thank you so much for all your wonderful comments, all the thumbs up. You really do keep me going, and every time I get home from work, I read those comments and I respond as quick as I can. So again, thank you everybody. Okay, let's do this. This is white house paint I have on the base right now. It's ready to go, white house paint. There's no water or silicone added in it. It's straight from the can onto the canvas. Okay, let's give this swipe / flower a try and we'll see how it goes. You know me, I always like to do the flowers, so I'm going to give another one a try. So let's put some drizzle of color down and we'll just wing it and see how we like it. I just have a vision in mind of what I want to do, so we're just going to go with it. This is a good time to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, because I know you've already hit that subscribe button for me, right? Trust me, you won't be sorry. I got bloopers. Sometimes I have a really good sense of humor. You never know what's going to happen on this channel. And if you're sitting back thinking you want to try starting with fluid art, you haven't really done it before, you won't be sorry. The only thing you might be sorry about is it's very addicting. But so much fun. Now my yellow's got a little bit of glitter added in here. It's a glitter additive that you can add to acrylic paints. So I'm hoping it'll give a little bit of glitter. Now I should do a show and tell of my last painting I did with glitter in it, but it's still drying. So stick around for the next video and see how it looks. Okay, those are the colors I want to swipe. Just going to grab a piece of my trusty old cardboard. I just want a thin one. I have a couple of swipe sheets as well, like this, plastic, made on the 3D printer. These are awesome, but it's too big for what I want to do, so I've just got a piece of stiff cardboard. Okay, let me just grab my tray out here that I like to pour my cell activator on. I don't know how much of that I'm going to need, so let's see how we do with a swipe with this. I'm going to go this way. And then I'm going to go this way. Perfect. Got some nice cells happening. Okay, let's just put that aside for a sec. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's give it a little bit of a torch here. Let it do its thing. Okay, so now my phthalo green, I'm going to go let's try that for now. A little bit of this green. Just going to do some dots all the way down here. That's okay if I drip because I'm going to be spinning this. It's going to be spreading out. Okay. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my yellow. Okay, let me grab my airbrush. I don't know how much of this is going to hold its color, so we'll just go with it and see what happens. I should say hold its shape, not hold its color. Okay, before I do anything else, I'm going to give this guy a spin. Just see what it's going to do. Hopefully I've cleared everything. Nothing's going to hit. Okay, let's just give it a little bit of a spin. Okay, I'm going to go back the other way. Sorry if you get dizzy. Fast forward this part, you guys, if you do. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. Not too bad. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to stay right like that. Just going to grab my painting knife and just see if I can get okay. Okay, so now that I have my lines in there, let's put a flower in there, a couple of flowers. Let's do red first. Go right about here. I already got one started here, so I'm gonna add to that red area. My orange with some glitter. My white. Yeah, I'm gonna do some white cell activator in the center of this. I think I'm going to do a little bit of black too. Okay. And my airbrush. Okay, let's give this a tiny bit of a spin, not too much. Beautiful. Okay. This one's going this way. Okay, let me give it another little bit of a spin. There we go. So I'm just going to pull some white in a couple of areas just to give it a little bit more of a petal effect. And I'm just going to draw the petal area there. Even pulling some green and some purples and orange ends definitely works well. So pretty. Okay. So now, where do we want to add some detail? Right here. And here. This is me just picking at it now. Definitely beautiful. Do I want to add any more or leave it as is, you guys? I think I'm just going to do just a couple of little pull-ups in the purples and the greens and the yellows. So one thing I don't want to do is drip on my painting. I think the one thing I'm going to do is just add a tiny bit of green here, here, and right here. I'm just going to give it the effect of the base of the flower, and I'm calling this beauty done because I really like it. Love to do abstract flowers. You never know how beautiful they're going to turn out. But there we go. Some beautiful little red flowers on a 10 by 10. And what did that masterpiece take? Maybe 20 minutes at the most. Anybody can do this. You don't have to have experience with art. You just have to have an imagination and be brave enough to play with your paints. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Stick around. Greg will put up another video you can watch. And again, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. Enjoy your night, everyone.